Hiya! My name's Marie and you're watching Marie's Stuff. So, how are you doing today? Have you done something fun yet? Well, let's do something fun together. Like, have a look at this amazing Kingdom Hearts box. The Disney collection from Sophie and Toffee. I mean, oh my goodness! And watch this. I've died to do this since they told us. Yay! Look, it's magnetic. Oh, simple things. Look at this. I mean, talk about creme de la creme. Look at that. Oh, they do put so much thought into these boxes, I must admit. Okay. Here we go. Sorry, there's a slight thingy. Yeah. Here's the booklet. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Oh, wow. Oh, let's dig straight in there. Oh, my goodness. I mean, they normally do. I think they've gone out. I mean, this is just first impressions, but I think they've outdone themselves with this box. I really do. It's pretty. You've got the Disney little tag there. And then you've got, wow, look at that. Oh, and talk about easy to fill in, that'll be, or easy-ish anyway. There's only going to be this part that's going to be finicky, and then the rest, just nice big bright colours. That's going to be gorgeous. And if you're not a Kingdom Hearts fan, you can use those. I mean, they could be anything, couldn't they? Let's face it. But they are also synonymous with Kingdom's Heart. But if you didn't know Kingdom's Heart and you weren't really a fan, then you know you could use this for other things. You could even put a picture in that one, and in this one. Gorgeous. I know of Kingdom Hearts, but I'm not a huge Kingdom Hearts fan. But these boxes are amazing. I got the other ones when I was dealing deep. Oh, see, I don't know who this character is, but I'm not sure. Could be Pluto, I suppose. I don't know. I don't know. I'll have a look in the actual box. I don't think it's anything to do with Sophie and Toffee. I think it's just I don't know Kingdom Hearts, so I don't know who all the characters are. Oh, that's wicked. That's a dish. It's so clear. I must admit they've worked really hard to find a better manufacturer for their moulds, haven't they? Yeah, that's wicked. I like that. And we've got some lovely pigment powders. Not many. And these are different dice for the, I'm not massive on dice, but these have got Kingdom Heart numbers and stuff on them, so I'm not going to go open all of those. We've got, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 7 different dice here, I think. 7 different dice moulds. I'm sure there'll be plenty of people unwrapping theirs. I'm not going to go into, you know, the dice sets, I'm afraid. Okay, and then this is the dice shaker. That's it. So, oh, it could be a trinket tray. Whatever you want to use it as. So, 2 gorgeous moulds. then you've got 1-to-1 resin. It's 120 grams per bottle, so that's what, 240 grams. Oh, I can do maths. And then we've got these gorgeous, oh wow, look at some of these. Wow. Yeah, see there's loads of characters on there I just don't recognise. These are awesome. And I think, yep, that's everything. So let's put these back quickly because I've dumped everything on top of the booklet. Of course I have. Of course I have. So 2 seconds while I get to the booklet. I know I normally do these at the end, but I'll do them now. For now. There we go. Pop those in there. I love those. Right, here we go. See if it tells us who that one character is. There we go. See, that'll show you all the different dice, and the dice are similar to those oh, ow, sorry, just suddenly got pains. The dice are the molds are in 3, so they're separated into 3 pieces. It makes it easier to demold and easier to make the dice in the first place, so that's good. That's the little plate. Look, I think that's what I'll be making. Yeah, and then you've got the dice rolling tray mould. There we go. And then you've got other stuff. Stained glass open bezel charm ×3, and Kingdom Hearts open bezel charm ×3. Oh, I think that's one of the monsters, isn't it? That's one of the bad guys, I believe. And then you've got design film, mica powders, and Sophie Toffee resin. Yeah, and then you've got how to make, instructions. Quite deep instructions on this one. I have to read them properly to decide, you know, what I do actually think of them. But yeah, that's it. And nothing really on the back. Okay, so there we go. As usual with our Disney boxes, there are tons of stuff in here. Definitely worth your money. I am absolutely can't wait to have a go. Yeah, all looks wicked. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Obviously these are a slightly larger purchase than the Elves box, but I can't get enough of them. Can't get enough of them. They're cheaper if you buy them on you know, on a month tri-monthly order, but yeah, then they are in the shop once they go in the shop. But yeah, anyway, I love them. Oh, I do have a code in the description below if you want to start getting yourself any of the Sophie Toffee boxes. Okay, yep, I think that's everything. Yeah, so I hope you liked watching this video. If you liked it, like and subscribe. If you didn't, let me know in the comments down below, but please be kind. I'm not a professional. I'm just doing this as a bit of fun. Okay, thanks for watching. And that's everything. But before I go, the next time you decide you don't like the way someone looks, just remember, when you take away all the squishy parts, we're all just skeletons, aren't we? Try being kind. The results might just surprise you. Thanks for watching.